BRS leader K. Kavita received a rousing welcome at the airport in Hyderabad on her return home after 5 months in custody. The Supreme Court had yesterday granted her bail in the CBI and ED cases against her related to the Delhi excise policy case. Kavita said that the cases were politically motivated.
A hero's welcome for BRS leader K. Kavita, who returned home to Hyderabad on Tuesday after 5.5 months in Delhi's Tihar jail. There were emotional scenes on Monday night when she stepped out and met her family, including her son, husband, brother, and supporters.
They were always tough. We are fighters. We will fight it out legally. We will fight it out politically. We were always tough. By sending us to jail illegally, they only made BRS and KCR's team unbreakable.
The Supreme Court had on Monday found fault with the Delhi High Court and pointed out that Kavita cannot be denied benefit as a woman under Section 45 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act just because she is educated and deemed influential. It also pointed out that the investigation has been completed and charge sheet filed in the case, and trial would take a long while. On Tuesday, the Apex Court reiterated that bail is the rule and jail is the exception, even in PMLA cases.
Bail is the rule, jail is the exception was once again reiterated today by the Supreme Court by Justices Gavai as well as Justice Vishwanathan. What they did go on to further say is that in case an accused incriminates himself further during interrogation by the Enforcement Directorate under custody, that is inadmissible as evidence.
Both the BJP and the Congress have alleged that BRS is having a nexus with the other party, suggesting that as a reason why Kavita was granted bail.
People of Telangana should understand the nexus between BJP and BRS parties exposed today, and Congress party is ready to face both the parties.
After the BRS defeat in the assembly elections and the arrest of Kavita, the chips have been largely down for the party. With Kavita's return, the BRS would hope that the efforts of KTR and Harish Rao would be strengthened so that the BRS can once again emerge as a party of significance. With Sunil Prabhu in Delhi and camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.